How to fix error 16, The Sims has encountered a problem. 1. Check system requirements. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. Backup then delete the local thumbscack.package. File at documents/electronic-art/The Sims 3. Refer to the IMG below. 3. Backup then delete mod subfolder. 4. Update graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Disable or uninstall OneDrive. 6. Disable third-party antivirus temporarily. 7. Uninstall then reinstall The Sims 3.